I'm Eric Phillips. I'm the production manager at Sterling Caviar. I've been here 22 years. I started in 1997. So today we're giving a tour to chefs and having a cookout just to show everyone what we do here and how we grow our sturgeon. We bring them in at 5 days after hatch. They look like just a little bead of caviar with a tail on it. And we introduce them to the tanks in the hatchery, what we call our hatchery, and we start to feed them slowly. And as they start to feed, they absorb that egg yolk. At about a year, they move to our nursery system. We have an extensive monitoring system. Each tank is monitored. At 2.5 to 3 years, we do sex determinations on them to figure out if they're male or female, because we want to keep the females for the caviar process. And then we wait another 4 years, ready to check for the ripe eggs or for their caviar. And the males we send to our processing room for our meat production or our meat sales. What I really like is just witnessing the whole cycle. So I've been here so long that I've spawned and hatched most of the fish that are going into the caviar room. Even though they're 7, 8, 10 years old. Some of them, that is a lot of satisfaction in starting that process and then seeing the completion of it.